Someone tells you to stop drinking milk after 45. Someone else says milk is fine, just take calcium supplements. Your doctor mentions vitamin D. Your friend swears by magnesium. And someone in your family says go dairy-free. And now you're standing in a grocery store, genuinely confused about what to put in your cart. Here's the truth most people don't hear. The exhaustion, the bone aches, the brain fog you feel in your 40s and 50s is often not just getting older. It's your body running low on specific nutrients, and most people have no idea which ones or why. Today we're simplifying it. 7 real foods backed by NHS and NIH research that directly target the deficiencies causing low energy and bone pain after 45. No confusion, just what actually works. Stay with me, because number 4 is the one most people completely miss. Welcome to Fit Eat Fuel. Before we get into the foods, you need to understand what's actually happening inside your body after 45. Because once you understand this, everything else becomes clear. A large percentage of adults over 45 are deficient in key nutrients, and the numbers are higher than most people expect. Vitamin D deficiency alone affects a significant portion of adults, especially those who spend most of their time indoors. Magnesium levels are often low due to modern diets, and your ability to absorb vitamin B12 naturally declines with age. These are not rare issues, they're extremely common, and they show up quietly. You feel tired even after sleeping well. Your joints feel stiff when you get up. Your energy dips through the day. And sometimes even your focus feels off. The frustrating part is that most people try to fix this randomly, usually by picking up supplements without knowing what they actually need. But research shows that many nutrients, especially calcium, are absorbed more effectively from food than from pills. So instead of guessing, it makes more sense to fix the foundation first, which is your daily diet. Food 1. Canned salmon with bones. Canned salmon, especially the kind where you eat the soft bones, is one of the most complete foods for this stage of life. It gives you calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids together in one serving. This combination matters because vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium properly, and omega-3 helps reduce inflammation in the joints. Without enough vitamin D, even a high calcium diet doesn't work effectively. Adding this 2 times a week can already support both bone strength and joint comfort. A simple way to include it is by mixing it into a salad or spreading it on whole grain toast. Food 2. Plain, low-fat yogurt. Yogurt is commonly recommended, but its real advantage is not just the calcium. It also contains probiotics that improve gut health, and a better gut means better nutrient absorption. So it's not just helping directly, it's also helping your body use other nutrients more efficiently. Over time, this makes a noticeable difference in how your body responds to food. A bowl of yogurt with fruits in the morning is an easy way to support both digestion and bone health at the same time. Food 3. Kale. Kale is a strong addition because the calcium it contains is actually usable by the body. Unlike some other greens, it doesn't contain compounds that block absorption. It also provides vitamin K, which plays a key role in how your bones use calcium. Without enough vitamin K, calcium may not be properly directed to the bones. You can add kale to salads, lightly cook it, or mix it into meals. Adding a bit of lemon helps improve nutrient absorption even further. Food 4. Eggs. 2 eggs a day can have a significant impact, especially when it comes to energy. Eggs provide both vitamin D and vitamin B12, which are essential for maintaining energy levels and nerve function. Low B12 is one of the most overlooked reasons for fatigue after 45. It can also lead to symptoms like tingling or weakness, which many people assume is normal aging. Keeping eggs as a regular part of your daily diet helps support both energy production and overall function in a simple way. Food 5. Almonds. Magnesium deficiency is very common, and it directly affects how your body produces energy. Magnesium is involved in the production of ATP, which is the energy currency of your cells. Without enough magnesium, your body struggles to maintain consistent energy levels no matter how much you rest. A small handful of almonds daily is enough to support magnesium intake. It also provides healthy fats and antioxidants that help reduce long-term damage in the body. Food 6. Lentils. Lentils support your body in a way most people don't realize. They help reduce levels of homocysteine, a compound that is linked to both bone loss and heart risk. They are also rich in protein, magnesium, and B vitamins, making them a strong addition for both strength and recovery. Including lentils 2 to 3 times a week, whether in soups or regular meals, can support long-term bone and metabolic health. Food 7. Fortified skim milk. Coming back to the milk debate, the evidence is clear. Fortified skim milk provides calcium, vitamin D, and B12 together, making it one of the most practical daily options. When combined with yogurt and other foods on this list, it helps you reach your daily calcium requirement through food instead of supplements. So instead of avoiding it completely, the better approach is choosing the right type and using it as part of a balanced routine. So here's what this really comes down to. Low energy and bone pain after 45 are not just signs of aging. They are signals that your body is missing key nutrients. When you start correcting that through the right foods, things begin to change. Your energy improves, your movement feels easier, and stiffness starts reducing over time. Start by getting a basic health check done so you understand where you stand. Then gradually bring these foods into your routine and stay consistent. If this helped you cut through the confusion, subscribe to Fit Eat Fuel, because in the next video, we'll break down which supplements actually work after 45 and which ones are just marketing.